Hi guys, welcome back to Versethetic Academy. So today I'll be showing us how to sublimate this tumbler from a blank into a custom piece. And I'm going to first start by creating my design on Canva. I think I've showed us that in a previous video. You can go back to my previous videos and check how to make a design. And then I'm printing out my design after I have created the design. I'm printing it out from my Epson printer, and here you go, that's my design. Next I'll get my blank tumbler. Comes with a straw. Okay, so this is a stainless steel tumbler, right? And so we're going to place the tumbler neatly on the design. As we can see, the paper is extending too much, so we'll have to trim it, because if there are excesses, it can actually affect the design. So I had a little challenge there while cutting, and I'm going to try to fix it. Yeah, as a craft girl, you always have to look for a way to improvise. Okay, so I've improvised and I've been able to successfully take care of that. And still I'm going to continue with my trimmings. So we'll have to trim to prevent excesses, because excesses affects the print on the item. Okay, so as we can see, I think it's perfect. It's perfect at this point. So I'll start taping my design perfectly to my tumbler. And there has to be no spaces. Please guys, ensure there are no spaces. Everything has to lap very well. Okay, so, and something important that you also have to note: before you put your tumbler into the sublimation machine, you always have to remove the cover. Okay, so I'm setting my tumbler heater. It's going to be at 180 degrees for 60 seconds, and then after that I'm going to keep it to cool off. I've kept it for close to 30 minutes and it's all cool, and then I'm going to be opening so we can see the magic that has transpired. Okay, so actually the first time I saw a sublimation process, I was wowed. I was like, wow. It's always beautiful to see, though. It's always beautiful to see that design actually reflects beautifully on the item. Okay, so there we go. Enjoy the unveiling process. And guys, I hope you know the tumbler has to be a sublimable tumbler. If it's not a sublimable tumbler, it won't work. So you can use UV printing for a non-sublimable tumbler. Ta-da! Can you guys see how beautiful this looks? This looks so beautiful. So guys, thank you for watching till the end of the video. I hope you learned something. If you are new here, please do well to subscribe. And if you actually did learn something, give us a thumbs up. See you in our next video. Bye for now.